History Haters Anonymous.
The top 10 coolest World War II Rosies the Riveter, if that is indeed the plural, in color. We've all seen Rosie the Riveter on this famous poster, but what about all those real Rosies out there? Who are they and what did they look like? And how cool were they? And be sure to hold on for number 1 this time. Don't skip out in the middle. It is indeed the coolest. Number 10. Look at it, just like the poster. Riveting, color scheme, everything. Awesome. Number 9. Check out this model of a bomber in a wind tunnel and looking legally blonde at the same time. Very nice. Number 8. That's a hand drill and at 1.2% unemployment. So many doors of opportunity are open in World War II. Supremely cool. Number 7. Inside one of the planes, installing fixtures. Teamwork. Number 6. Putting the finishing touches on the paint job. That's a former school teacher now helping the war effort. Extra super cool. Number 5. That's a riveting machine, and there's a bin full of rivets. Not to mention a really nice cardigan. Number 4. Giving a train a steam bath. I think I actually want to sign up for this. Number 3. Installing engines and looking stylish at the same time. You can, in fact, have it all. Number 2. Working on howitzers. The heavy artillery. That's cool. And as advertised, number 1, the very coolest, 2 Pearl Harbor widows avenging the deaths of their husband while working in the factories. That's undeniably cool. History Haters Anonymous. Strike the like and vibe the subscribe.